Matapos ang pag-atres ni Chavit Singson, nag-withdraw na rin sa darating na eleksyon ang tinaguriang doktor ng bayan na si Doc Willie Ong. Inanunsyo niya mismo sa Facebook na hindi na niya itutuloy ang pagtakbo bilang senador dahil nais niyang alagaan ang kanyang kalusugan. I am officially withdrawing my candidacy for the 2025 elections so I can focus more on taking care of my health, say niya sa post ngayong araw, February 13. Mensahe pa niya, I sincerely thank all the people who supported me and prayed for me. I will continue to support good governance and the candidates who espouse the same ideals as mine. Pagtitiyak din ni Doc Willie, our advocacy to help the poor Filipinos continues even in my private capacity. Kung matatandaan, September last year nang inanunsyo ng cardiologist at health advocate na maghahain siya ng Certificate of Candidacy, COC, sa pagkasenador through his wife, Dr. Ana Liza Ramoso.